Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up the driving monitor on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to go to the settings and then scroll down and find digital well-being and parental controls and then go there. Over here scroll down to find driving monitor and then tap on it. At first you'll see this welcome message. You can press start. Over here we can select which apps we want to exclude from using when the device detects that you are driving. So let's say we're gonna choose Facebook as an example and then press done. And then we can press start. Now over here we will see the summary of the driving monitor. We can see the screen time while driving. We can also switch it to weekly over here in the top right corner. And over here we also have these three dots where we can choose excluded apps one more time. So if you want to add or remove an app later on, then here's how we can do that. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!